Alright, this is prototype of the laser security system. Basically what's happening is there's a laser beam and a sensor, and if this laser beam is tripped, it registers a high or low, and then a signal is interpreted by the Raspberry Pi, which then takes a snapshot from this webcam at the appropriate time and the appropriate position based on which laser is tripped. Then it emails me that picture and gives me the option of viewing the camera live or downloading the stream to my phone or a computer. So what we got here is a cheap laser from Walgreens. It was like 2 for $5. I took it apart, took off the buttons, and just hardwired it. That orange wire there is actually me replacing the button, so it's on all the time. Put a transistor below it so that the Raspberry Pi can turn it off and on if it needs to be armed or not. Right now I'm working on the software side of it so that the MSP will turn off the laser or arm the system, or turn on the laser and arm the system if my phone is not on the home Wi-Fi. If it is on the home Wi-Fi, it disarms the system. So let's test it out. So basically we got a laser beam emitting from this diode. It reflects off this, I need to rotate this on you. Reflects off this little mirror. I got this mirror out of an old CD disk drive. It's called the, what is it? Changes it from, or it changes the angle of the laser. That's its primary purpose, but I'm using it just as a straight up reflector. So it reflects off that, and then goes to this, what the heck is it? Photodiode. And that photodiode is hooked up to the base of a PNP transistor, and when this diode, or whenever this diode is allowed to, let's see here, open up, it drops that resistance down, or drops that base voltage down enough to turn on the LED. So if I break this beam, that LED should turn on. So here I am breaking with my hand. Here, let's see here. So essentially, that's what would happen. That's pretty quick. See it on the oscilloscope here. I'm gonna pass my finger. Right now, it's reading 0 volts, and then it reads 2.42. So laser beam, non-interrupted, or it reads 0 volts at the microcontroller at the Raspberry Pi, and then when we interrupt the beam, it reads 2.5 volts or logic high, which would signal to the microcontroller that, hey, someone's in the room, or this laser beam has been tripped, essentially. Yeah, so now it's on to programming it to do stuff, and I think it's almost there. Right now I have a button that is able to send me emails, so it should be as simple as just swapping these pins out, and it should be working. Alright.